morning. Let's start off this productive that girl morning routine. It's super cold this day, finally feeling like winter. First things I do is keep my phone on the sleep mode so that I'm not distracted. I keep my Stanley next to my bed, so I like to hydrate myself first things first because I'm usually so thirsty when I wake up, and I like to just stretch my body. It honestly just feels so good. I don't know if you guys have also been seeing on TikTok this lucky girl syndrome. So every morning I repeat to myself, I'm so lucky, everything always works out for me. And I also do this throughout the day, and I feel like it is such a mindset shifter. I always like to do my 5-minute journal while I'm still in bed, just so there's no chance whatsoever that I can forget. Journaling is a forever habit that I will never not be doing because it has changed my life, and it really makes me see things into perspective. Like the minute you wake up, it's just so nice to just let out some positivity so you can start your day off on the right foot rather than just waking up and jumping into your workday, maybe getting stressed, maybe you see something on social media. It's just a great way to start your morning. And after journaling, there'll be times where I'll do a guided meditation on YouTube where it's like 10 to 15 minutes of manifestation meditation. If I'm not doing that, I like to just do a simple mindfulness and grounding meditation. I feel like this has also been something that has been helping me first thing in the morning, especially because I'm somebody who is so go, and sometimes it's just so bad on myself and I can wake up feeling anxious. So this little mindfulness exercise has definitely been helping me with that. And then it is time to get up. Also, I just love my little desk setup now. It is just giving all the vibes. I'm literally fully obsessed with it. Let me know what you guys think. I feel like the iPad little stand really makes a difference, and it's really giving cozy work from home desk setup, and I'm obsessed with it. It's time to make the bed. The first big task of the day, besides if I was getting a workout in, that would be the first big task. But more morning routines to come with my workout routine. And it is time to brush my teeth and do my morning skincare routine. Definitely making sure that I've been consistent with my morning skincare, not missing a day of washing my face. I feel like before I used to sometimes just do cold water, and I feel like in the summertime that was fine for my skin, but now I have been dealing with a lot of breakouts, and hopefully I've now finally found the root cause of that, which I explained in another video, and we're hopefully on the road of just healing and not really stressing over it. And since I do work from home, there's times where I'm home for the whole day, or sometimes I work and I'm at my boyfriend's house with him. But when I am home, I like to put on my robe and get super cozy, especially while I am doing breakfast. If you guys would have seen in my little announcement life update video, I just found out that I have celiac disease, so let's talk gluten-free breakfast. Well, part of my breakfast is already gluten-free. If you guys don't know, gluten comes from wheat, rye, or barley, so eggs are fine. I can have my spinach, I can have avocado. Problem is really like the breads, pastas, all that type of stuff, so I can't have normal bread. So we actually have been buying things. I can have like corn tortilla, which is what I'm having today, so I'm doing like a little breakfast taco situation, as you see here. So this is just a corn little soft tortilla that I will do with scrambled eggs, baby spinach, and usually avocado, but I didn't have any more today. And then I'll do a little bit of cheese, which again is fine. So just try to remember those ingredients and everything but the bagel seasoning. Also in the mornings, what I like to do is listen to music. It really puts me in an uplifting mood, so I'll listen to just like my favorite types of songs, and that is a really great way to start your morning. You guys need to try it, whether you just do it for 10 minutes while you're getting ready or, getting dressed. It really is a great mood booster. Let's get into my Starbucks coffee at home recipe. So I use the Planet Oats extra creamy oat milk. That's my favorite one. The extra creamy is just perfect for my Nespresso hot lattes that I make. And then I have a new creamer that I've been loving, the Elmhurst oat creamer in the caramel macchiato. It is the sweetened one. It barely, I feel like, has any sugar. So what I do is I mix it with my extra creamy oat milk, because since I do lattes, it's not a lot. So obviously a latte is just a double shot rather than a coffee pod. So that's the way that I feel like works best with the creamer. And I use the Bianco Doppio Nespresso Vertuo pod. So good. It's light and smooth pod. Tastes really good. So I add the creamer, and then I do add a tiny bit of regular sugar because I feel like it's not that sweet. But trust me, with a little bit of sugar, it's still not too sweet. It's the perfect balance, and it's Starbucks at home. Let's get dressed for this at-home workday, my work-from-home outfit. It's been super cold these last couple of days and very windy, so calls for a nice cozy outfit. This one is from Lounge Apparel. I love it. It's literally the coziest outfit I own, probably. I'm not really going anywhere today, but I do have filming to do, and I like to just get a little bit ready. I never really do makeup anyways. I just do a little bit of mascara, and that's the Maybelline Lash Sensational. It's my favorite one. It's so good. And then I just do a little Merit Beauty, like in a little eyebrow volumizer, and that's it. It just kind of sets them into place. And then I am ready to get work started. I also wanted to show you guys these little crackers that I got, everything flavored, and they're also gluten-free. And to spice up the work from home vibe, I like to put on Spotify this coffee shop jazz music playlist. It's really relaxing, really calming, and it makes me feel like I'm in like a proper work setting, whether I was at like my own desk somewhere or actually in a coffee shop. And it makes me feel a little bit more productive and focused. And speaking of focus, what I've been doing on my phone is putting on the work focus setting and just really eliminating any and all distractions so I'm not procrastinating any work and just really focusing on my tasks. And I've recently been using a digital planner on my iPad. It reminds me of writing to-do lists like I would be physically in college, and my planners you guys used to see all the time. So actually the act of physically writing it makes me feel so good and like extra productive in the like weird way, I guess. I don't know. Let me know if you guys can relate. So I've been doing that on my iPad, and it's been my favorite thing ever. I found the cutest little digital planner, and it'll be linked down below. I'm also going to be filming a what's on my iPad video coming soon, talking about all my favorite apps for productivity. So here I am just writing my to-do list and planning out my day. And this morning in particular, well, this day of the week was my busy editing day. So I like to break up my days between like editing or just full-on content day. So I really wanted to finish up editing a YouTube video and get that up this day. So I spent majority or a good amount of my time just editing it this morning and really focusing. Felt so good getting that accomplished and getting that crossed off of my to-do list. It's literally the best feeling ever. And also I've been challenging myself to finish drinking my one Stanley first thing, well, in the morning time, and then I can drink like 2 or 3 a day. And then this is where I pretty much separate and start posting on my other platforms. So TikTok, Instagram, make sure you guys follow me. It's always linked in the description box. But this is where I pretty much go off and start the rest of my day, finishing the rest of my to-do list. You guys see all of my productive vlogs. And of course, more is to come. So make sure you guys subscribe if you like content like this video right here, my productive That Girl morning routine. I hope it really inspired you or motivated you